Sri Matre Namaha. I welcome you all devotees. In today's satsanga, we will see Lalita Sahasranama Stotra meaning of it. Fourth nama Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta and fifth nama Devakarya Samudyata. These two names we will see today. The fourth mother's name in Lalita Sahasranama is Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta. It means which is manifested from its Nirguna form to Saguna form. And the fifth name is Devakarya Samudyata, means mother had taken a Saguna form to help all devas to fulfill their desires and complete their work. Now let us see manifestation of mother described in Brahmanda Purana. There is a legend in the Brahmanda Purana. The description is as follows. The Asura named Bhandasura had about 105 Brahmandas under his control. So because of this, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, all gods of all the universes together made a huge Havana Kunda and started worshipping Mata Lalita Tripura Sundari. All the gods and goddesses started putting their organs in the Havana Kunda so that the mother would fulfill their desires and kill the Bhandasura. Mother appeared in front of them. Mother was seated on the Sri Chakra to fulfill their desires of those gods. To fulfill their wish, the mother appeared in Havanakunda and gave them new life and boons. As said, mother killed Bhandasura and remained in her same Tripura Sundari form for the benefits of all her children. Now let us see the meaning of the fourth nama Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta. Chidagni means the Nirguna form of mother, which is an amalgamation of Param Shiva and Mahatripura Sundari, which we cannot see. This Param Tattva always resides in our body in the form of soul, which we can see and we can only experience through soul and God realization. Kunda means the Supreme Shiva form of the mother, which is always permanent, which is static energy and is the supportive energy of mother. Sambhuta means the mother manifests in the form of the Saguna, the physical form, which we can see and feel through our senses. Its full meaning is as follows, which has manifested in its physical form from its non-physical form. Now let us see how to chant mother's fourth nama Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta. Om Aim Hrim Srim Chidagni Kunda Sambhutayai Namaha Om. You should chant like this. Now let us see the meaning of fifth nama Devakarya Samudyata. Devakarya means the wish of the gods and goddesses. Samudyata means mother has taken a physical form which is meant to complete the work of the gods. Every part of our body is inhabited by gods. When a person makes some wish or deed with their help, means with our body's help, our soul, which is Tripura Sundari, always fulfills all his desires. This fifth nama, Devakarya Samudyata, can be chanted in this way. Om Aim Hrim Srim Devakarya Samudyatayai Namaha Om. In the similar way, you can also chant. Now let us see a few more things about the fourth and fifth nama and how does mother help us. God resides in our body and in every particle of the world. We called it as Mahatripura Sundari. And when she is in our body as our soul, we call it as Tripura Sundari. Every animal in the world is a child of mother, whoever he may be, human, demon, goddesses or any deity. in whatever way if he will worship any form of the God. In the same way, whom you or the practitioner believes, the mother will give experience to him and will do his work. Because your nearest God is your soul, which is Tripura Sundari. Whether you worship an ideal or worship your own guru or any guru, taking their form, mother who is your soul, she gives you experience according to your beliefs. She gives the experience to the devotee by taking the form of anyone or anything in the form of Saguna and also performs its functions. There are residents of goddesses or deities in our every part of body. When the devotee uses his body to perform any type of rituals, then it becomes karma. The sadhaka uses his body to perform rituals which contains the deity in each and every part. That is why, in order to complete the same work, the work of devas, the mother gives experience to sadhaka in any of the saguna form. Everyone's reasoning ability and understanding is different, and many meanings can be derived from each and every nama of Lalita Sahasranama. In the next Sahasranama Satsanga, we will discuss more about our universal mother by different names. So thank you to all you devotees. Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha.